We had a few hiccups when installing this faucet, but we were able to iron them out, and now I love it. Today we're going to be installing this new TRYSEA kitchen faucet. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband and I are going to install it, and then we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. This is really well packaged to protect it during shipping. In the box, you're going to have the plate that goes on the base. Now, you don't have to use this. Our sink does not fit this plate, so you don't necessarily have to use this. If you don't use it, you can just pitch it. You're also going to have the hot and cold water supply lines and the faucet itself, as well as the instruction manual. To install the sprayer head, you first need to unscrew this blue cap, and then you can screw on the sprayer head. You're going to want to wrap the threaded end of the water supply lines with Teflon tape. An ample amount of Teflon tape. I cannot stress this enough. We did not put enough on the first time, so you need to go at least 8 to 10 rounds with the Teflon tape. Once they are sufficiently wrapped, you're going to insert them into the base and screw them down nice and tight. The hot goes on the left and the cold goes on the right. You don't need any tools for this part, just your hand strength to tighten them as tightly as you can get so that there's no more movement in the line. Then go ahead and remove these 3 pieces because they are going to go under the sink when you push this through the top of the sink. Before you tighten everything down, make sure there is no movement in the part at the base where you turn the water on. That does screw down tight by hand. If there's any play in it, once you secure the base underneath the sink, it's going to rock and roll side to side. If when you turn it on, no water comes out, that is because the 2 pieces, the pot filler and the sprayer, work independently of one another. So each of them has a handle to turn it on. This is the pot filler. You turn it to the left or the right once you turn the hot or the cold on at the base. And then to turn the sprayer on, you simply squeeze this handle and you can lock it into place using that little black latch. There's an LED light that tells you whether it's cold, warm, or hot. This is so amazing. It also comes in multiple colors, so if you don't like the gold that we installed, I believe there's also black and the nickel color as well.